Good. Just to let you know, the numbers are still coming into the gardens as far as we can see. Now, I've just got a question. Are you okay with that? Once again, I don't think the people on Princess Street, are you okay with that? We'll play a bit of more music. We'll be underway shortly. Thank you.
We'll be starting in a few minutes. Don't go away. We have an amazing set of speakers, we have an amazing audience already, but just before we start I want you to give an extremely big cheer for the hardest working man in the independence movement over the last couple of months. Please give a cheer for the organiser of this event, Jeff Duncan. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big cheer.
I'm really pleased to see you all having made the effort come from every corner of Scotland, from as far away as Orkney and Shetland, to Dumfries and Peebles, to Glasgow. You're not all from Glasgow. There's some people from Dundee, Aberdeen. What about Inverness? What about Clydebank? I'm going to upset people, aren't I? Because I'm not saying everybody. But anyway, I'm going to keep this short. This march and rally today in 2012 was always about the kick-off of the process leading up to the referendum in 2014. Now, the Yes campaign is the official campaign. We are simply here to bring you out year on year. And I consider every single one of you here today as the foot soldiers to encourage more people to come next year. If every person brings 2 people, we'll have twice. You know the math. What I want to see is you bringing 4 people with you next year. Also, we will be running trains from Aberdeen, from Glasgow, from Inverness. We're going to ram this gardens with lots of people. 2014 is the big one. Now, we'll never fit in here in 2014 because this has got a limited capacity. But this is what we're building up to. It's always been about the 3 marches and rallies. And as I say, I am extremely proud of every one of you. Because as much as I put a lot of effort into this, you've made a big effort to be here. It's not an easy thing to travel from 6:30 from Wick, or should say Inverness, and you're up in the middle of the dead of the night, and everybody has made a tremendous effort. So please give yourselves a huge round of applause. I'm now going to hand you over to our host, Pat Payne. Thank you.
It's an interesting set of speakers here on the stage today, but it's absolutely about all of you. You all turn to each other, you blather with each other, you find out your stories, and then you figure out how to tell that story to the rest of the country so we can get to independence. I've been dreaming of this ever since I was a wee boy. I can't believe I'm going to get a straight vote on independence before I peg it. And are we going to waste the opportunity? Are we going to get a gigantic yes in 2014?